Hello friends, let us talk about something different today. I will talk to you about how we involve ourselves in practically every issue of the world that we come in contact with. There was a lady, friends. She was a compulsive shopper. She would just go to the shops, exhibitions, malls, and she had the time and money, and she would just enjoy shopping, which was maybe fun for her. But what happened was that after shopping, she had to bring all those bags home. And finally, it happened that there was no place for those bags. So she started dumping them under her bed. She did not have the time or the desire to even open the bags and arrange what she had bought. Why I'm telling you this is that in a different way, most of us do this. We meet people in our social circle, in our work circle, and we involve ourselves in every issue that is going on in other people's lives. Somebody will say something about some problem that he is facing or she is facing, and we pull ourselves into that issue and we discuss it and we make it our own issue. I will talk to you about my own age group just to make you understand. Friends, I have ladies whom we meet on and off, and someone will have some problem or the other. So supposing one will say, my cook has just left suddenly and gone away. So we'll get so worried for her. Oh my God, this is terrible. How are you going to manage? It's going to be so tough for you. Or similarly, my driver just left suddenly. Oh my God, how are you going to manage? It's such a major problem. Yeah, it is a problem in someone else's life, but we pull ourselves into that matter and get involved. If someone is facing some domestic problem, if someone is facing some problem with the kids, we get involved. We make their problems, their issues, our problems. Okay, fine. So you are very caring and you do it as a friend. But then what happens? Just as the shopping lady, you bring all those problems back with you to your house because they have entered your mind. And when day after day you keep piling up the problems that you are hearing about, you will finally see that the big burden of things which really don't matter to you are piling up in your mind. You have to take a moment, sit and think about it. It's okay to understand other people's problems, but please, they are their problems. You have your own problems. Those are their problems. They will handle it. So what I wanted to say today is, don't enter everyone's problems, every issue that you come across as your own. Be considerate, but try to limit yourself to your own problems, your own issues. I hope I have made myself clear. We will talk much more another time. Thank you.